Hello, hello, hello. So it is Wednesday. I think that's right. Gosh, it's crazy. It's been so busy at work. I have just been going nuts, but it is Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday the 11th of April. And it is 65 degrees out. It's super nice, which is fabulous. This morning it was colder, and so I wore like warmer clothes. And that's what it's about right now in Indiana. You need to layer because the weather will not stay the same. So I have had lots of things on my plate today. This whole week has just been a really busy week with meetings and such, and next week looks like it's going to be about the same at work, but that's okay. It's good. It's just crazy. And then on top of that, I also had my primary care physician's appointment today, and then I also had an appointment with my surgeon yesterday. So whew, busy, but it's been good. Everything has been good. I also had my review today, which also went well, so I am pleased with everything. And you know, when you get a good review at work, or when you hear something like that, it is nice. It makes you, at least me, it makes me want to perform even better, because you know that you're appreciated and all of that. So that makes me feel good. And my son asked his girlfriend Erin to go to prom with him, and she said yes. So that is cool. He did a really cute display. She loves Diet Coke, and so she wrote something that said something like, or he wrote something that said something like, my heart would just die, and then he put a T at the end, if you didn't go to prom with me, or something. And he had Diet Cokes around, and just made it really cute. So that was sweet. And he's been dating her for a long time, so there was no doubt that she would say yes. They even went to spring break together. He came back all tan and was looking all cute. They went to Panama City Beach with her family, so that was pretty cool. Oops, roll down my window a little bit. What else is going on? Oh, so he needs a tux for prom. So last night we were looking online at different places to go to rent a tux, and I tell you what, it's so expensive that I went to Macy's and I found a tux with, that had, I got the jacket, the pants, the white shirt, and the vest. I got it all for like $210 or something on sale. It was a big sale, and it was only a particular brand, and whatever, but it still worked out well. And that is probably the same cost that I would spend to rent the entire tux from a place. That's like the minimum. So I thought, you know what, if I can buy one, and since he's going to college, he might need it for interviews or whatever. I mean, it's actually a suit. It's a nice suit that with the vest makes it look like a tux, in my opinion. Maybe when we get it, I'll change my mind and he will only be able to wear it for special occasions, but I have a feeling that he'll be able to even wear a tux in college. I know that they have certain things that they have to do, so whatever. I thought, you know what, he's not going to grow too much more, probably. Who knows, he might, but whatever. I got it done, and it's over now. Now he still needs shoes, and it did not come with a bow tie. So shoes, a bow tie, and it seems like there was one other thing. Belt. He needed a new belt. So I did find a belt on Amazon for like $6 and a bow tie for like $12. So that's not bad. And then the shoes, he can either wear a pair that he already has, or he can find a pair of inexpensive shoes, and maybe we can get those or something. But I know he has a pair of nice black shoes that I think would work. And if it turns out that they don't, then maybe we can find an inexpensive pair somewhere, or on Amazon or whatever. So that's my thinking right now for all of that. So for the whole suit, or for the whole tux, I probably ended up spending less than $100 more to buy it than I would to rent it for one time. So I figured that that was a fairly good deal. Whew, all of this just to say that. I have so much in my head, it's crazy. Right now, there's just so much going on. None of it, like I said, is bad. It's just so much. So I have to get home and I need to write stuff down. That's just how I handle things best. So I need to go home and make my lists and get stuff written down so I know what's coming up and what I need to do and get it done. And my lipstick looks like it's come off. Interesting. I might just put on some chapstick. My son works tonight and tomorrow and Friday. I'm kind of not in the mood to cook tonight, and I love cooking, so I'm just kind of not in the mood. So we have leftovers. We have plenty to eat at home. So I might just, and since Alex is working, I might just tell Dennis that we're fending for ourselves tonight and just do that. Oh, so that's how I've been. How have you guys been? Katie's back at school. She, I think, gets out in about a month. I think is her last, yeah, seriously, in about a month. A little bit more than a month. And Alex has about 6 weeks, I think, and then he'll be done. So time is flying. He'll be done with high school. I've been working on the graduation party. I got a lot of things together. His dad is ordering the food. My goodness, there's a traffic jam or something. It's too early in the day for this mess. His dad is ordering all of the food, but I'm going to order cupcakes, and I think I'm just going to get those at Sam's. I need to make a list of who to invite. Goodness, there's something going on because there's some police cars. 1 police car, 2 police cars, 3 police cars. Oh, and a smashed truck. But I only see 1 smashed truck, so I don't know what he smashed into. Poor guy. Say a little prayer for them. Scary. There is a new Aurora Tea Garden on Hallmark Movies and Mysteries coming this weekend. I think it's this weekend. I think it's Sunday. It's either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. It's one of those days. So I'm excited about that. I have it taping so I can watch it. And I need to watch Roseanne because that was on Monday night or Tuesday night. It was on last night, so I'm not too far behind. I haven't watched it yet. I keep thinking it's on Monday, but it's on Tuesday. So I really like that show. I loved it when I was a kid. It's still, I used to call it my guilty pleasure even as an adult because I love it. But I'm going to, I really like this, the remake too. It's still really good. I don't know what you guys think about it, but I think it's awesome. So I'm excited to watch it. And I like that and The Good Doctor, and I like 911. Those are all shows that I'm watching. I video them and then I watch them, and then I try to keep up with some YouTubers, and I try to read. I just have so much. It's crazy. I know I've told you that, and I keep saying that, and I need to stop, but it's true. Right now, that's where I'm at in life, so I guess it's my vlog, and that's what you're hearing because that's where I am. But I did get some good news today. My doctor, I used to have high blood pressure, and my doctor took me off of that in the medical history. It is no longer an issue that I'm dealing with now. It is a past ailment, I guess. So I no longer am in the high blood pressure category or whatever. I don't have to say I have high blood pressure. I am normal blood pressure, which makes me very happy. Yay, I haven't had to take any blood pressure medicine since surgery. Yay, hooray. Then I have a follow-up with my surgeon in July, and I have a follow-up with my PCP in October. And the day that I have my follow-up with my surgeon is also a day that I'm supposed to be on freshman orientation with my son at IU. So I'm going to have to call them and tell them that I can't do the 10th. He just scheduled it yesterday, which is when I had my appointment. So when I scheduled my appointment, the 10th was not necessary, or like I could have done it, but I didn't realize that he was scheduling at the same time. I knew he had said he was scheduling for July 9th. I didn't realize it was a 2-day thing, so I won't get done until 2 o'clock on the 10th, and I need to be back here for my appointment at 1:40, so I'm gonna have to call them and ask if I can change my appointment to a different day, which is a bummer because I hate changing things like that once I got it on there, but it's not a big deal. And it's really still, I mean, within my 6-month surgery, it's still good. So, because I had surgery on January 19th, so July 19th is actually 6 months. So it's still good. And what else? The yawns come when I'm doing my vlogs on my way home. And it's nice and warm and cozy in here. It feels good. Gonna take a drink of my water, and I don't have any water with me. I forgot. I keep a water bottle at work, so I just fill that up, and I don't always bring a water bottle to work because I have one at work, so didn't bring one today. Don't have one now, but I need a drink. But I'm almost home, so I'll be able to drink to my heart's content. I think I'm gonna get some of that blackberry tea. It is so good, so good. All right, well guys, I think I'm going to end this here, and I will talk with y'all soon. Now it's, like I said, it's 65 degrees. I don't know what I said it was earlier, whatever it was earlier. Now it says 65 degrees, and this weekend it's supposed to rain, and next week it's supposed to be in the 30s again. I mean, it is just crazy, but today it feels like a very nice spring day, and I am going to probably take my dog on a walk and enjoy a little bit of this sunshine. So I will talk with you all soon. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.